2019 GMC Denali with the Flowmaster Super 50 True Dual Exhaust. Our True Dual exhausts are equalized from the converters. This system is built with aluminized tubing, but stainless steel is also available. Utilize the factory tip design or install our twin Viper 4-inch tips. Interior tone level is mild with this Flowmaster Super 50 True Dual exhaust. Pick your sound and your tips before you buy at Rich's. We have the largest selection in stock to cover your needs. To further optimize your vehicle, we have AFE, Air Raid, and K&N. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. Also hit that bell. See it and hear it before you buy it at richesperformanceexhaust.com.